Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how you can send money from Cash App to Western Union. Since Cash App doesn't have a direct option to transfer funds to Western Union, you'll need to use your linked bank account as a bridge. First, open Cash App and make sure your bank account or debit card is connected. Transfer the amount you want to send from Cash App into your bank account. If you need it quickly, you can use the Instant Transfer option, though it may have a small fee. Once the money is in your bank account, go to the Western Union app or website, or visit a local Western Union branch. From there, choose Send Money, enter the recipient's details, and select your bank account or debit card as the funding source. Complete the transfer, and your money will be on its way through Western Union. So while there isn't a direct Cash App to Western Union option, using your bank account makes the process simple and reliable.